Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE A53 Plus, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold our power button and select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. When you see the ZTE logo, let go of the power button. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options that are visible right over here, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So scrolling down with the volume down button, she's starting off with the first option, which is already selected. We have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. And below that we have reboot to bootloader. Then we have enter fast boot mode. Presumably both of these options will do the same thing, which is take you to fast boot mode. But I could be wrong with the bootloader. Now below that we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So those are all the options. Now I'm going to stick with the very first one, confirm it, and this will, like I mentioned before, take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.